G'day guys, this Ford Focus, I've got to be really quick. The air conditioning filter is a lot better than the earlier model Mazda 3s and that. So, see that? It's a miracle how this thing goes on. It really is. Depress these two tabs, take it out. The problem with them is they get full of this stuff inside. Now, the direction, right? The direction's like that. The dirt will be there, right? That's the intake side. This clean side faces the cabin. That's the direction. Okay, this was peeled back before. To take it out, actually, it's got a twist. See? Okay. Does a good job. Anyway, hope that helps.